So to remove the hard drive from the HP250 G1 laptop, first step is to remove the battery case, which then gives access to the memory module bay, which in itself then gives access to the hard drive. So remove the screw at the side, which then lifts up, revealing the slots for the RAM, and also then reveals the two screws that will allow you to open the case for the hard drive bay. By removing them, it then reveals the hard drive situated underneath. You can then see the whole of the back of the laptop with the battery off, the memory exposed under there, and the hard drive available to then remove or replace.